So I went down under the water. Going underwater, that's one of the most common uses of negative numbers. I don't know if you noticed, but I went 15 feet down under the water. So how do we represent that using a number? Well, 15 feet underneath the water, below the surface, sometimes called below sea level. So if I'm 15 feet below the surface, that means I'm at negative 15 feet. And then I panicked. Because I don't like to be stuck underwater. So I started swimming up, and I swam up 12 feet. So I went up 12 feet. So there are a couple different ways to think of that. I went down 15 feet, and then I went up 12 feet. Another way to think of that is I got rid of 12 feet under the water. So how do I get rid of 12 feet under the water? Well, I was at negative 15 feet. And then I got rid of 12 feet under the water. So I got rid of that subtraction, and I got rid of that 12 feet below by going up. And then where was I? Well, we see if I was at negative 15 and I went up 12, 15 minus 12 is 3. I used the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. So that meant I ended up at negative 3 feet, or 3 feet below the water, the top of the water level. Here, I'm at negative 15 feet, and I'm getting rid of negative 12 feet by going up. So this is actually the same as this. They mean the same thing. So if I'm at negative 15 and I add 12, that's the same as being at negative 15 and then getting rid of or subtracting negative 12. So we could rewrite this expression, essentially taking that double negative and turning it into a positive, negative 15 plus 12, which once again is negative 3.